ने फैसला दिया।
जो डेफेमेशन का मुकदमा मिस्टर एमजे अकबर ने प्रिया रमानी के खिलाफ दाखिल किया था, उसमें आज वर्डिक्ट आ गया है और जज साहब ने वो मुकदमा को खारिज किया है। प्रिया रमानी को एक्विट किया गया है और इस बेसिस पे उनको बरी किया गया है कि जो उन्होंने डिफेंस प्लीड किया था सच्चाई का, कि मैंने जो भी कहा था वो सच था, वो डिफेंस कोर्ट ने एक्सेप्ट किया है और कोर्ट ने कहा है कि वो डिफेंस बिल्कुल सही है और वो प्रिया रमानी की जो बात जो उन्होंने आके कोर्ट में कही थी शपथ लेके, वो बात बिल्कुल ठीक है और उनको कोई शक नहीं है कि वो झूठ कि वो सच बोल रही है। तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ट्रूथ एज हर डिफेंस ये डेफेमेशन का जो मुकदमा इनके खिलाफ दाखिल किया गया है उसको खारिज कर दिया गया है। Very significant observations were made with respect to the defense of sexual harassment at the workplace. Firstly, the defense of truth. As you know, Priya came on the stand. She testified about what had happened to her in 1993 in a hotel room. She was subjected to cross-examination. We produced a corroborative witness in her defense. We also produced another incredible woman who came as a defense witness, who also spoke about her story of sexual harassment with the same gentleman. All in all, the court came to the conclusion that the defense of truth pleaded by Priya Ramani was vindicated, that he believed that defense, and therefore no case of defamation was made out.
Can this judgment be a basis for criminal action against Mr. MJ Akbar, because already demands are being made?
Well, I wouldn't want to say that at this time. I think we will celebrate the moment. We are extremely relieved that Priya Ramani has been acquitted. Any further action will, of course, depend on what we do in the days to come.
What does it mean? मैम, रामायण महाभारत को लेकर भी तमाम ऑब्जर्वेशंस दिए गए।
हाँ, शायद मैंने वो पढ़ा नहीं है। जब जजमेंट आएगी आप देख लेना उसके बारे में, ठीक है?
What is the impact on the Me Too, generally Me Too movement?
Yes. So Priya Ramani's defense had been that the Me Too movement gave her the courage and the platform to make these statements. The disclosures were made in 2018, if you recall. The judge has said that in 1993, when the incident took place, there was no mechanism by virtue of which she could have sought redressal, and therefore her late disclosure, as was being alleged by the other side, was of no consequence. The Me Too movement gave several women from several professions a platform to make these disclosures. It was made in good faith. It was made in public interest. It was their truth, and I think that's important because the court has believed Priya and has said that whatever she testified on oath was her truth, and he sees no reason to disbelieve her. Thank you.